come down here. It's Monday. I come down here I like days like this. I can just come down here and pedal and do what I want to. We have videos all caught up, and I had some things I need to take care of. Just pedaling, if you know what I mean. Did y'all like getting out and pedaling in y'all's shop? Just really don't have a project to do. Just kind of work on some shop stuff, if you know what I mean. That's what I've got here. At some point, I'm going to have all of this. And I really need to work on these saws. And I'm going to have me a way to have these saws up on my French cleat board wall. French cleat wall. Oh, so I don't know. I got some junk saws that to cut the junk with. I just keep pedaling. I had a couple tables that I was going to do, but kind of fell through. You know what I mean? It happens. It happens. It's just the way it is. One is they changed their mind. The other, I wasn't getting the warm and fuzzies. Wanted a farm table. And we couldn't get her to really tell her what you wanted. And the thing about it is that I have learned along the way is that if you don't get the warm and fuzzies, what you're going to do is build it and they're not going to want it. And I wasn't getting the warm and fuzzies. I mean, it was one of them, you know, and what was going to happen, I was going to have to take a farm table that I did not need and try to sell it to somebody because I'm afraid that what was going to happen, it would be something about it she didn't want. In other words, I'd be stuck with it. So therefore, I did not want, I just wasn't interested. Was not interested. You know, I've gone far enough now that I don't have to build it. You know what I mean? I don't have to. So therefore, it is what it is. But I'm enjoying my French cleat wall. So today I'm just pedaling. I really don't know what I do need practice at is this video. And I think the more you do, the better you get at it. The thing about it is, the more you do, the better you get at anything you do. So, but I probably got less experience of videoing myself, videoing projects. And it turns out I've got, hey, you say, I've got to figure all this stuff out to do by myself. Don't have a big production crew and all that kind of stuff. But I bought a bunch of nails. I like these deck screws with them star nuts. That's what I like, 'cause they're more durable. You know what I mean? Durable. I mean, a straight screwdriver, flat screwdriver, is the least durable. You wind up stripping that dude off. Yeah. So the Phillips better. The Phillips screwdriver. But when it gets down to it, if you use it over and over and over again, it'll give up on you. But these star heads, they'll hang in there with you. I don't know if I got a picture of it or not. I guess they call them star heads, right? Yeah, star drive coated screws, okay. And it just, I might have had one, and I think it was a default from the factory that had some slag in it. That's the only reason why that gave up. Other than that, I just reuse them. There's no telling how many times I've reused some of these. When you get ready to take it back apart, I just keep screws. But I finally run light on well, this would be a good test for. And I had to get some. What I used the most of, the 1.25 and 1.5 what I used the most of. So therefore, that's what I had to get. But I do have, I don't know, there's some things, you can't get it all done. I mean, it takes time. I like to get my planes, get them hung up here. It is nice to have what you're looking for right here. It saves a tremendous amount of time. But the thing about it is, the different color in the wall. It's a ash, dark ash gray. That's what the wall is. I like it. We got us some blotches of different ones, and that's the one I picked out. It was a little dark, but when I started putting my cleats up there, I believe it's just right. However, when I color grade, it's confusing the cameras. Between these LED lights and everything, it's kind of confused. It wants to make this blue. There's a cabinet there blue. It wanted to make it blue like that. Well, it throwed my shirt off. I mean, you could tell it wasn't right. So I've got the color grade saved that makes it look like it if you're standing here in person. But I do want to make for charging my batteries. So I have a Makita right here, and this one right here is my rigid. Probably got more Makita stuff in my track saw. I got a blower, hedge trimmer, nut drivers, and drills. So I probably got more than that. I got a nut driver, and here it is. I got a nut driver and a drill for the rigid. But rigid, I guess they thought enough of it. If I can get that thing off. It had that keyhole right there. So I put me a couple screws in there. And I've got me a French cleat on it. Hang that dude right there. Got an outlet right beside it. When I get ready to charge the battery, there it is. However, This is the one that came with the track saw. It'll charge 2 at a time. There's no way to mount them. And it's something, I don't know if y'all know, this USB port. I don't know what that is. I need to check that out. Probably nothing, but I don't know. But what came with the nut driver set was this. Same thing, there's no way to mount it, so I'll have to. There's really no need mounting both of them. I just have that as a spare. And we got the blower. It came with one. We keep it up at the house. But anyway, I was wanting to go ahead and mount this. I may take it apart and get me some screws or mount it to something. I don't know if I'm going to go to that much problem or not. I could make a little thing there, kind of set it as a 45 and do it that way, hang it beside that outlet. That's what I'm thinking about doing. But right now, I got that bench right there. I just charge it right there if I need to. But I have thoroughly enjoyed that French cleat wall. I ain't had it long, but I'm still working on it. But then, yeah. What do you think about my Shop Talk logo? That was just temporary. I just printed it all. But the thing about it is, my wife got a good one made, just ain't got here yet. You know, I got Soda Solutions here. Got that for Christmas from a fella that 3D printed it. Did good, didn't he? And of course, I got, you know, I can stand here in the middle of it like my ears. Yeah. But anyway, so what I'm going to work on today, just pedal, see if I can't organize the shop a little bit. I have thoroughly enjoying this for sure. I'm going to take the wall on around. All the concrete's going to be covered up. That part back there, well, in the tool room, I may leave it. Y'all don't ever look at it much, but I am going to hang some French cleats on that and just kind of organize. I like being organized. That way, get ready to do something. You're not hunting your tools. You know what I mean? You're not hunting your tools. I got a thing of pencils. I could. Yeah, I could. So it's endless. I mean, there's people out there that have really come up with some really good ideas on this French cleat stuff. And like I said, that French cleats kind of like Dale Earnhardt. You either love him or you hate him. There was nobody in the middle. Of course, his son, Junior, everybody loved him. But it's like French cleats. What I have seen is you either love them or you don't care about them. There's hardly anybody, I don't know. I like them. I like them because it's like your tools, your machines, and everything being on wheels. Because it needs to evolve and you need to change as different projects will dictate and that kind of thing. Where here, you can do the same thing. I can move stuff around and put what I'm going to need for this project right here close at hand. That kind of thing. If you got to work in your shop, fix it where you enjoy it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Well, all right. I hope this video finds y'all well. Y'all be safe. I'll catch you on the next one.